7 different ways in which you can promote your print on demand products completely for free. So if you are interested in that, then keep watching this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Parshvika. This channel is the Art Magazine paid channel, and it's particularly made for the artist and creative entrepreneur, helping them in their online business, making content related to print on demand websites, online business ideas, online art, passive income ideas, and various different online business ideas related to artist and creative industry. So today video we will going to talk about what are the different ways in which you can promote your print on demand product completely for free. So if you really enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm will works in our favor, and please do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, because I will be making more such related videos and you would be get notified if you do so. So starting with the first print on demand products, like there are many ways in which you can promote your print on demand product. There are some free versions, there are some paid options and all that, but in this video particularly I'm going to talk about the 7 free ways in which you can promote your print on demand products that is completely for free, so you don't need to pay for anything. So beginning with the first one is the Instagram. Like is it one of the most common ways in which you can promote your business online. You can make a niche related account related to your designs, whichever you are making. Suppose if you are making designs related to dog, then you can make a niche account onto the Instagram, posting pictures related to dog and then posting pictures related to your print on demand products and so on. So making a niche Instagram page related to your designs will really going to help you promote your own print on demand products. The second method in which you can promote it for free is using the Facebook. Now on Facebook you can create a Facebook page, niche like Facebook niche page, but you can also promote your print on demand products in various Facebook groups and read the terms and conditions what different Facebook groups are expecting from you. And there are some groups on which you can promote your print on demand products for free. I mean, they are allowing the people to promote their products and all that. So join those Facebook groups and promote your products via that as well. Apart from that, you can also make a Facebook page related to your niche. Suppose if you are in a dog, then you can make a dog niche, a Facebook page, and you can promote your products over there, giving value to the people, like posting pictures related to dog, and then you can post pictures related to your products as well. So all these ways or all these methods, you can provide value to the audience, to your followers, to your subscribers, and then return you can post the pictures of your print on demand products and can promote it. So for the Instagram guys case, you can promote your products by putting the link of your store in the Instagram bio, and in the Facebook as well you can put the like on the Facebook page bio you can put the link of your store and then can promote it in that way as well. Or either way you can put the link in the Facebook post as well, but in the Instagram you don't get that facility that the links are not clickable in the post. So keep that thing in mind and you can promote it that well. The third method no, that's a third method to promote your print on demand product completely for free is Pinterest. Now Pinterest is amazing guys. Like you don't need many followers to get started with the Pinterest. You don't need that much followers in case of Facebook and Instagram. Even you start posting on the day one itself, like related to your content related to your store, posting pictures and maybe some codes related to that, you will going to start seeing the traffic within a month or within a few days itself. And it's a type of search engine guys. It's not a social media platform. So people will going to search into the search bar of the Pinterest and then they will come to your pin itself. So it's a search engine platform, it's not a social media platform. So the pins that you make today will still remain alive. I don't know for how many years, but it will going to have a long time, or you can say a long lifespan of that pins into the Pinterest in comparison on the Instagram or Facebook, where your posts have like only few days or maybe a few months on which your post will going to get the engagement. So this thing is one of the major benefit of using the Pinterest, because it's a search engine optimization and it's so easy and you don't need many followers to get started with the Pinterest. You can get started with the day one itself, can just pin your t-shirts, can pin your t-shirt designs directly onto the Pinterest account, and you can make a niche Pinterest account related to your t-shirt designs. If you are in dog industry, make an account related to dog and post pictures of different dogs according, and along with that post pictures of your t-shirt and all that. The fourth platform is the YouTube. Obviously, the way you are seeing me in this YouTube video, you can make a YouTube video related to your print on demand product, the niche industry you are in. I'm taking an example of a dog. So you can post pictures or like making videos related to your dog, talking about it and various different types of things, talking about your various print on demand product, how you are designing your product and all that. And then you can post your link of your store in the description box. It takes time, so it's not an overnight success, or all these methods are not overnight quick success or something like that. It will going to take time because all these methods are organic, and organic strategies do take some time, and for some platform it may take months, maybe a year. For few platforms it may take days or months, something like that, depending on different platform. So YouTube is not an overnight, guys. It may take time, and yeah, but you can start doing it from the day one itself. Now, beginning with the fifth platform idea that I have for you is quite like common, you can say, or maybe not common, but it's a Twitter. Like on the Twitter, you usually go and tweet for the post and all that, but you can also post the pictures of your print on demand product, your store, onto the Twitter and make an account related to that niche industry in which you are making your designs, and then make a post your print on demand products onto the Twitter account. And you can also tweet a quote related to that. If you're in dog industry, you could put a quote related to dog, and then you can also post the pictures of your print on demand product and can promote it via that way. Sixth way in which you can promote your print on demand product completely for free is the Reddit. Now, many of you guys would be thinking that how to use the Reddit. Now, Reddit, you just don't need to put the link onto it. It's different from other social media platforms, so you can just look around what other people are doing, make a talking about the leads via providing the value in exchange of promoting your product. So keep that thing in mind. Always provide value first and then promote your product, so that you would be. Last but not the least idea that I have for you is, or the method I have for you is the LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is specifically featuring to the businesses like B2B business or B2C, something like that. But still, you can leverage the LinkedIn. You can make posts or can write an article on the LinkedIn related to your niche industry on which you are making designs, and then can promote the link in that way as well. Because LinkedIn is getting huge traffic right now, and its platform is not dying. The engagement is still there on that platform. So you can use it in your benefit and all that. So please let me know in the comment section below if this video is really helpful to you or not, what type of content you want to watch on this channel, and let me know in the comment section below, guys. And there is a complete playlist talking about various different print on demand ideas, products, and all related to videos. I'm putting all those videos in the description box below. You can check those videos out related to print on demand and everything related to that. And that's it guys. If you really enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and see you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.